Okay students, today we will talk about the properties of multiplication. Okay, what is properties? They have some rules and regulation. Okay, we want to know about that rules and regulation. So there are 5 types of properties are there. Okay, how many types of properties are there? 5 types of properties are there. We will see one by one properties. What is the properties? Okay, in multiplication, first property, multiplicative property of 1. Okay, the second one, multiplicative property of 0. Okay, then third, fourth, fifth, there are 5 types of properties are there. You listen carefully one by one property. Once you understand, when you do the multiplication sum, you can easily understand, you can avoid some problems, you can avoid some mistakes. Okay, so first if you want to know the properties of multiplication, then only we can avoid these kind of problems. Okay, I will tell you what is the properties of multiplication. First properties, when a number is multiplied by 1, when a number, any number, when you multiply the number 1, the answer, the product of result is the number itself. What is that? So see, this is the number, my number, I given some example number 82945. This is the one number. Now I am going to multiply by 1. So what is the product? I got the number itself, same number, I will get answer. Okay, so 82945 is into 1 is equal to 82945. The answer is same. So this is the first property of multiplication. When the number is multiplied by 1, the result, the product of number itself. Okay, that is the first property. Then second property, when a number is multiplied by 0, when a number is multiplied by 0, the result is, the product is 0. Okay, so the product is 0. So multiplicative, the name is multiplicative property of 0. Example, 71828. This is the example number. I have taken this number. You can take any number, but if you multiply by 0, the result is 0. So these two properties important. Then remaining property we will see one by one. Okay. Okay. Let me see the property of third. Okay, the third property. We see first and second property. First property, multiplicative product of 1. Then second property, multiplicative product of 0. Then third property, commutative property. What we say? Commutative property. What is that? So the product of two number, does not change with the order of number. Okay, the product of two number does not change with a change in the order of the number. Okay, what is that? This is the commutative property of the multiplication. Okay, example. Okay, what is commutative property? See, here I have taken some example number. You can take any number like this, 8257 multiplied by 9. I have multiplied by 9 to this all this number. I got the product 74313. Okay, if I change this order, I will put 9 this side, the 8257 this side. Does answer will change? Does answer change? No, answer does not change. See, I have given the same example. I put 9 first, the number second. So if I multiply this number, the answer is same. This type of property is called commutative property. When you change the order of number, the product does not change. Okay, the third property. Then fourth property, regrouping and changing the order of number. What is that? Regrouping and changing the order of number does not change the product of the number. Okay, what is it? This property name, associative property. This one commutative property. This is associative property. Okay, so what is that associative property? It means, here see, 60 multiplied by 8, again multiplied by 100. So I will give the explanation. 60 multiplied by 8. First I group the 60 and 8 first group. Then again I will multiply 100, this second group. Okay, So I got 60 plus 8, 480, multiply 100. So I got 4,000, 48,000. 1 times 100,000, 10,000. Okay. 48,000. Answer is okay. Now see, again I am regrouping. So 60 into multiply by 8, multiply by 100. Okay, this is equal to 60. I regroup separate. Before I regroup 60 and 8. Now I separate. Now 8 multiplied by 100. Now regroup 8 and 100. This is one group, this is second group. Okay. Before it was 60 and 80 one group, 100's next group. Now 60 one group, 8 and 100 second group. So I am regrouping. So 60 into 60, 8 into 100, 800. So 60, 800, 48,000. The answer is same. That is the fourth property. So when you changing or regrouping order of number, the product of number does not change. That's the meaning. Okay. Okay, students. Let me see the last property of multiplication. The last property is distributive property. What is it? Let me see. A number can be expressed as a sum or difference of two or more number to multiply easily. Okay. So this kind of property is called distributive property. I will tell you some example. You can understand what is distributive property. See carefully. Now 16 multiplied by 3. If you multiply, you want to know 16 table or 3 table up to 16. You feel some difficulty now. I will tell I will use some expressed method, so you can multiply easily. So that is a fifth property. When you multiply or sum or product, it will be easy. So see how I will express it. So 16, I will write 10 plus 6, 3, multiply 3. So what is the meaning? First I will multiply by 10. After I will multiply by 6. So 10 into 30, sorry, 10 into 3, 30, plus 6 3s are 18. So total 48. The answer is 48. Now easily you can multiply. So before it was difficult, now we can easily multiply. So 16, I have take 10 plus 6, so 16. So I want to multiply 10, 30, then 6, 18, now 48. If you multiply this 16 3s are 48 only. But if you know, you can easily find a solution. But if you don't know, you cannot find out. So if you use this expressed method, you can find a proper answer. Okay. Then second example, see, here I have 47 into 5. So you want to find out, you have to say 5 table up to 47. So it's difficult, no? So I will give some easy expressed method. So see, 40 plus 7 multiplied by 5. Now 40, what is 40 into 5? See, 4 5s are 20, no? So 4 5s are 20. So the 0, 0. So 200. 4 5s are 20. So 0 into 5, 0. So 200 plus 7 5s are 35. Now 235 answer easily we get, na? But if you multiply directly 47 into multiply, you feel some difficult. Now you can easily 40, no? So 40 into 5 into 4, 20. So 5 into 0, 0. So 200 plus 7 5s are 35. So 235 easily we can get. So when you expressed sum or difference, you can multiply easily more number. See the more number. Now I will express this in easy method. Okay. This is the fifth property.